In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send an invoice from your Workspace dashboard in Chrome. To get started, open Chrome and sign in to your Workspace if you have not already done so. Once you're inside the dashboard, go to your profile area and look for the Workspace links section. From there, open the invoicing options categories. This is where you'll manage billing documents, organize payment requests, and prepare invoices for clients. Taking a moment to enter the correct section first helps prevent confusion later, especially if your dashboard includes several tools and shortcuts. Once you're in the invoicing area, click Create Invoice. This will open a new invoice form where you can begin entering the details for the payment request. If your platform loads a blank template, that's completely normal. The goal here is to build the invoice carefully so the client can clearly understand what they're being charged for and when payment is expected. Next, input the client identification details, along with the breakdown description lists and the transaction amounts. As you fill this in, make sure the client information is accurate and easy to verify. For the description section, list each item or service clearly so the invoice is easy to read. A clean breakdown reduces back and forth and helps the client review charges faster. Then enter the transaction amounts that match each description. It's always a good idea to quickly review these entries before moving on, since even a small error in the amount or description can cause delays. After that, select the due date parameter baseline frame schedule. In simple terms, this means choosing the payment deadline or time frame for the invoice. Pick the date that matches your billing terms and make sure it aligns with the agreement you have in place. Setting the due date correctly is important because it gives the client a clear expectation and also helps with tracking payment status later. When everything looks correct, click Send via email to transmit the checkout payment invoice file to the client tracking dashboard. This sends the invoice through the system and makes it available for the client to receive and review. Before you click Send, do one final check for accuracy so you can avoid needing to resend a corrected version. And that's it. Once the invoice has been sent, the client can access it through the intended workflow, and you can continue monitoring it from your invoicing and tracking tools.